Okay, this is the dashboard to the 1962 Chevy Nova Convertible. Yep, there's a couple little nicks in the steering wheel, but nothing too bad. It is very beautiful. Hidden in the glove box here is the stereo, the light works, and also what lives in there is this Holley Sniper EFI onboard computer. Here, I'll just stick it up here for now. That can be mounted. I just like hiding it to make it more stock. And when you turn the car on, it boots up while the fuel pump does its thing. You can go here to monitor, multi-gauge, vitals. You see the resting battery voltage. And then we'll crank the car over. All right. Shows you what the fans are doing here. Car's cold, so they're not on. RPMs and all that good stuff. Always starts right up.